Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear children. This is the continuity of unit number 15. In the unit number 15, yesterday I spoke to you in page number 21. So today it is going ahead with the page number 22. Now we are discussing the heading called Factors that Affect the Lifestyle of Human and the Problems Created due to the change in the lifestyle. First of all, one by one, we are introducing the factors that affect the lifestyle of human. In that one, now we are in the point called irrigation systems. So irrigation systems, from the ancient time of Sri Lanka, we were constructing irrigation systems, tanks, ponds, reservoirs, canals, dams, tunnels. More and more these ones were created, more and more of the Sri Lankan people turned to farmers. I don't know whether it is a good side taken or the worst side taken, but anyway, their lifestyle has changed due to this irrigation system. Another thing, it is regarding utilizing the materials and energy abundantly and differently. With the growing population and technology, we can see various ways of energy utilization. If you take 40, 50 years ago, we didn't have mobile phone or laptop or computer, okay? And so the usage of energy was comparatively very, very low. But now the technology has developed, so many electronic devices are around us. We are using energy in different things. Further, life is very complex. Those days, most of the women in our country were housewives. But nowadays, there are about 50% of the Sri Lankans are working wives. So we will take the working wives with their family burden when they want to earn their life. They are depending on so many electric and electronic devices, washing machines, grinders, okay, dryers, etc., 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 etc. Several things are there. All these ones are increasing the usage of consumption of energy. More and more and more and more machine dependent people we are. Okay, physical labor, physical work is decreasing, machine dependency is increasing, that is leading to several diseases in our life. Okay, so irrigation systems and utilizing materials, energy abundantly are another two things that changed lifestyle of the people in the world. Our country also fit to that. Okay, if lifestyle changes, what happens? Several diseases are coming up. Diseases. Okay, most of the diseases that come up due to change in the lifestyle are non-contagious diseases and disabilities, cancers, lung diseases, diabetes. Okay, all these ones are more in our society, more in among our people. Okay, your book says about 60% of the deaths that occur in our country or in the world are due to non-contagious diseases. The opportunity for a person to die of dengue is very low, but people are dying. If you take 50 years ago, people were dying of malaria, people were dying of diarrhea, people were dying of cholera, like that, several infectious diseases only people died. After changing the lifestyle, we have somehow blocked those type of contagious diseases. Now we are suffering of non-contagious diseases. Okay, they're telling the reasons. What are the reasons? Okay, tobacco consumption, liquor consumption. These two were there from the very ancient time. Okay, then also those days people were living long days. Wrong food habit. Okay, this Chinese food, fast food like items, and lack of physical exercise. After transport facilities have improved, Everyone is demanding to choose a vehicle to go from one place to another. Those days, when we were students, girls and boys were walking to school. Now, if you ask how many children are walking to school, you can just finger count that much few. They are also walking because their homes are very, very near to the school. Telling precautions, safety measures, we are decreasing the physical exercises. Okay. Among the non-contagious diseases, one of the key non-contagious diseases is chronic kidney disease, CKD we used to say. Gradually, our kidney will decrease its function. The amount of urine produced in our kidney will be gradually decreasing. In the chronic kidney disease, there are two types there. One, it is acute renal failure. It is a temporary one. It can occur for some hours, it can occur for some days. It will come to normal if we take immediate treatment. By treatment, you can bring it to normal. Then kidney will be normally functioning. But sometimes it can come to a level called chronic renal failure. That means totally kidney is little by little in an irreversible manner losing its function, is going to end. The kidney's life is going to end. Okay, at that time we have to look for an alternative. We have to find a donor, and that's not easy. Okay, so the available kidneys, if we safeguard, that is the better choice. Right. So what causes renal failure? Okay, renal failure is caused by diabetes, people having diabetes, high blood pressure, okay, very frequent urine infection. Some people will get urine infections very often, stones in the urinary bladder, any other infections, okay, intoxication. Now, when a snake bites, the snake venom can cause renal failure. Wasp venom, a hornet venom, even agrochemicals can cause renal failure. Allergies can lead to renal failure. So if we have allergy, we have to keep a very concern about it. I have to solve this allergy. I have to quickly come out of this allergy. So this is page number 22, my children. So you complete it. You complete it. So from irrigation system to this more point, I have completed it. So this is the note for you. Irrigation system. Then problem arise due to changes in the lifestyle. Then we keep about chronic kidney disease and the causes, the reasons for renal failure. Okay, inshallah, in tomorrow's one, I will tell you the rest. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.